Once the garage provides a diagnosis, we consider whether your vehicle should be brought back to the UK. Repatriation may be arranged if repairs will take longer than your trip, cost more than £500, and if repatriation will cost less than the market value of your vehicle. If we do need to recover the vehicle, we will need to take your V5C, the logbook, or your VE103 if your vehicle is hired or leased. So please ensure you have this with you for your trip. If repatriation is approved, we work with our partners to bring your vehicle back. This can take up to 21 working days and longer during busy travel periods like summer. The process involves coordinating transport across countries, across borders and through ports, which can all take time. Don't worry though, we'll keep you updated every step of the way. If repatriation isn't appropriate, we'll get you and your party home and cover the cost for one person to return to Europe to collect the vehicle once it's repaired. We'll also provide a hire car for 2 days when you return to the UK, with AA European breakdown cover. Help is just a call or message away. From the moment you contact us to the moment you're back on the road or back home, we're here to support you every step of the way.